What's up, you money makers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about Mullen Automotive Inc., ticker symbol MULN. If you're new to this stock, you definitely want to watch the full video because there is a ton of potential I found in Mullen. If you follow this channel and if you know that we bought Tesla and it is about $800 at the moment, it is up 5% more or less. We bought NIO and NIO is also up 6%. We are very close to $15 with a potential to get back up to $20. There is some issues still with the Chinese stock, but hopefully we'll get better. The stock market will get better, and every single time the stock market spiked up, NIO has spiked up as well. And I was looking into more EV stock, and here I am talking about Mullen. If you're new to this channel, you want to subscribe to the channel. If you are already subscribed to the channel, hit that like button and also turn on the notification bell for Mullen, because MULN is something I really like, really like what I see, and I'll share in a moment why I like it. So without further delay, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. This is one of a kind stock that I found, Mullen Technologies, which is an EV car company. It is traded on NASDAQ, and it is an electric car company that has got a ton of traction just within last 1 month. Take a look. We were around 60 cents, and right now we are looking at $1.60. So there is a massive run up, 185%. But this is not just the end of the story. What we have seen so far just today, from $1.60 we got back up to $1.95 right here with almost 20% run up. But from that price point we got back down to $1.60. Now why is that? I'll be sharing. I pulled some of the chart to show you. I have done some analysis as well that I'll be sharing in this video, and I'll be telling you why I think this is a great buy. First and foremost, we have started seeing the spike into the Google trend for Mullen. If you search the term MULN, you should be able to see that we were at 1 and we started spiking up really quickly in last couple of weeks, and we are at 100 points. And this is related to, the queries are related to Mullen stock price, stock weights, and the related topics are stock share price, stock weights company, so on and so forth. This is very similar search that we have seen for AMC, GME, and many other stocks into the market. Now I'm not saying that this is going to be the short squeeze or anything along those lines. What I'm trying to say is there could be possibility, and possibilities are endless. Now let's get into it, what I mean by possibilities are endless, because if you take a look, today's average, the average volume for MUL and Mullen is 58.2 million. Today's volume is 225 million, which is massive in my honest opinion. 1 year target is massive, $23. Think about it. $1.60 stock is going to hit $23, and this is not my target. This is from the analyst. We don't really see a ton of information here, but you want to notice the volume spike. The second thing you want to see is the buzz, as to why shares surged today. And it did not really surge today. It went up and it quickly got back down. Mullen's shares surge after Carbuzz feature. Carbuzz is one of the big companies. So let's take a look. The stock rallied 29% Monday after the recent Carbuzz price feature in company's high performance electric vehicle crossover. Now they have Carbuzz has more than 9 million monthly visitors featured in EV's crossover. The Mullen 5, as they interviews the CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive, and I'll be sharing that information in a bit because that is going to happen tomorrow and you don't want to miss out. At least you want to do the research. I'm not saying you buy or sell. This is not an advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Once again, if you're new to this channel, you want to subscribe, you want to hit the like button, and we want to have this journey together. One of a kind penny stock, it can go to $5 to $10. One of the portal I just shared with you, people are targeting $23. Now I do not believe that it'll hit $23 in next 12 months, but yes, there is a massive potential and I'll tell you why. So let's talk about what this article says. I had a great discussion with Ian from CarBuzz about the way EVs and the plan for the future. Says I'm delighted to be leading automotive publication like CarBuzz, and we're covering Mullen and providing readers with an opportunity to learn more about ourselves. Now, why this is important? It got a ton of traction. What's going on with Mullen Automotive today? And we started seeing that they are surging after they announced the feature on CarBuzz, and they got a ton of coverage. Now, if you take a look, once again, going back, there's a ton of activity that is going on. If you take a look at the historical volume, I wanted to quickly share with you the historical volume, and the historical volume shows a massive spike as well. Take a look. We were around 100 million, 257 million, and we got back down to 85 million. But after March 11, we started seeing the spike back up, 3x volume, 245 million, 532 million. Today we saw 225 million in volume, where the stock went from almost 87 cents to $1.96, very close to $2. So it has spiked a ton. We started seeing higher highs, and we started all of a sudden it went to $1.15, and from $1.15 we got back all the way to $1.96. Now $1.95 and 96 cents has a strong resistance. If you take a look at this green bar right here, so the green bar shows $1.95 or almost $2, which is where Mullen tried getting back up and fell back down multiple times. Take a look. So right here, $1.95, more or less $2, got back down, and it got a very strong support. It has a strong support at $1.59. From that, it started going back up, 177, got back down. Once again, tried going back up, $1.95, could not sustain, got back down. Once again, started going back up, could not sustain, $1.95, and it's got back down. Now, why I am saying this is a pretty good price resistance, if it crosses, there will be another price point that we are looking into, which is $2.40. But take a look, before a few months, if you start taking a look right here on my screen, in February 28th, we started seeing very similar pattern, but that pattern did not really last for too long. We went to $1.95, got back down quickly to $1.59. Once again, we see similar pattern, but this time around we are in this area for a longer period of time. As a matter of fact, for last 5 to 7 days, we are hovering around that area. And if you want to see what is happening in last 5 days, we are up 28%, guys. This is amazing, from 95 cents to all the way to $1.96, 95 cents, which is where it has trouble getting over. But once it gets over, there is going to be another higher highs that we may see very soon, because we started seeing that pattern that it goes into south and it went down south for a long period of time. This company's market cap is pretty small, 55.91 million. So we are looking around 55-56 million for an EV company. That is a very small market cap, relatively new company that has not done any revenue at the moment, but they are going to build some of the premium vehicle, $250,000, somewhere around those range, and they're going to get the luxury cars competition into that business. Now, if you want to take further, NILE founder Milton tweeted that I'll be visiting Mullen headquarters today, and that post, the car assuming that I'm allowed to take pictures, so we may hear more. There will be an interview of their CEO that is coming up, and this is the Mullen car, which is amazing. This car looks pretty nice. You might want to check out on the Twitter and see this video and take a look. I'm not saying that it is going to compete with some of the biggest car out in the market, but this definitely does seem like a premium vehicle, so you want to take a look. Now, who is Milton? Milton is a private holding company, executive and chairman of NILE, and this particular company has started mining Bitcoin, and NILE now mining 1 Bitcoin per day, and they're going to visit this particular company, Mullen, and their CEO will be also having the interview tomorrow on Wednesday, 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. They'll be taking this tour of this company and seeing the new cars on Tuesday that they already shared with us. and they'll be passing any videos of the car that they're allowed to. NILE owns share of Mullen. Now, when you are looking into it, you also want to look into the short interest and what's going on with the stock overall. So take a look. The stock had 54 million, 68 million, lower volume that spiked up to 163, 317, and 147 million, whereas the short volume ratio is 34.81, 37, 33. With massive potential, the short volume ratio was high back in the days, that if they can get back up, and I'll be doing more research whether there is any short squeeze coming, what is the call and put options look like, and what we can expect in terms of the price point from Mullen. But what I see at the moment is something I really like, and the share got the spike. It's a penny stock with the average volume around 60 million. We are seeing 3 or 4 times volume on a daily basis with the 52-week price range of 52 cents, and it went as high as $16. This could be another 5x opportunity, guys. So I wanted to share this information with you. Hit that like button, write down in the comment section below if you want me to cover this stock in a regular manner. I'll do that as well. Subscribe. 80% of my viewers are not even subscribers. Does not cost you anything. I look forward to see you next time. Thanks for watching and have a great day.